After saying goodbye to my host, I hit the road again in the morning. I love to watch the shade of my bicycle and me at sunrise or sunset, cause it's like seeing a mirror on the road. On the map, I found a very interesting camping site. There was an island with a bush camp run by a caravan park. I really love quietness in the nature, so I decided to try that place. As soon as I arrived at my destination town, it reminded me of the Gold Coast because of beautiful watercolor. If there was a sunshine, the watercolor must be the same as Gold Coast. There are not many surfers on the main beach. Usually, small towns don't have an apartment in Australia. But this city is like Gold Coast in that they did have some buildings on the street. This beach looks so good, but the problem was the rocks. I've been surfing for over a year and still I'm a beginner. I can't surf if there were many rocks. I can understand why there were buildings in a small town. It must be a tourist attraction with a pretty beach around. Next to the path, there was a cute street art. I wish there are many more street art all around the world. I was cycling to check out another surfing beach. If it's a good surfing beach, there are always surfers. The slope looked fun, but there were no surfers, meaning no good place for surfing. Let's just move to the paid bush campsite. I'm not a fan of a caravan park because everything is too close to each other. Steve offered me this place with a 50% discount, which was the same price as bush camp. But it was right next to a swimming pool and playground, so it must be noisy during the day. To the island was like 2 kilometers away from the main park that I would just go to my original plan. And there bush camp is. It was the biggest paid camping site I've been to in Australia. The entrance was a bit quiet. The more I went deep inside near the water, it got busier. It looked more like a party place than relaxing in the nature. Every corner, there are always people playing music and radio with loud speakers. It was impossible to find a perfect quiet place to enjoy nature. There was a flush toilet in the middle. Shower was at the main camping site. And here's a little bush kitchen where I can get water. I just went back to the entrance because this was the quietest place in whole island. Sometimes I'm too tired to cook dinner that I just get some dry food. In Australia, if you go to the supermarket at late hour, you can find some cheap discount stuff. Good morning is with a good coffee. Such a peaceful morning, but the peace didn't last longer though. It was Sunday and many people left, so I went deep inside the island to camp near an open lake. And the view was better here. It was 12 a.m. The noise kept coming from far. I like light rain hitting the tent in the morning. Perfect time to make a coffee. Today I have a passion fruit which I got from my previous host garden. And here there is a very beautiful wilderness. I went to another surfing beach and this place was a bit busier with other surfers. Watercolor was just like the Gold Coast that I missed. And yeah, let's not forget to have fun. Just got back to my tent and it was time to check if all my belongings were still there. Yup, all the bags were same as I left. This fly kept stinging me and let's not forget about mosquito bothering me. Have you seen horse at field? They kick their feet the ground due to flies sitting around. And I'm just like them. This bush camping would be perfect if there were rules about no drum, no radio, no TV, no speaker, no shouting. Anyway, the scenery was beautiful and to see deer running on the lake was like the movie scene.